No, your eyes are not deceiving you. The Watercress line is back in steam. Welcome to In the Loop. Well, we start off with good news, for we are allowed to reopen within stage 2 of the government roadmap, which currently at the time of filming is April the 12th. Now, just like we did last year, the weekend just gone, we've been hosting a training weekend for our staff and volunteers to get back into the swing of running a service, especially with the new COVID guidelines. Well, I say new COVID guidelines, especially with the COVID guidelines. So, before I tell you more about that, I think it's time once again for some cool footage and some slightly over-the-top music. So there you are, some cool footage and some slightly over-the-top music. Now, as I was saying, we do have our reopening date. With the current government roadmap, we are ready to reopen on April the 12th, which is why we're running this weekend, to get our staff and volunteers back into the swing of things with the COVID guidelines. Now, a very fair question to ask at this point is, what is it going to look like for you guys as passengers? Well, frankly, it's going to look very similar to last year. It's going to be pre-booked tickets on trains. It'll be a train ride, a stop at Ropley and another train ride afterwards, because frankly, that was fantastic. We have taken on some of your feedback, and the stop at Ropley will be just a little bit longer to allow you to see everything, including our brand new play park. Now, to keep an eye on what's happening at the railway, best visit our website at watercressline.co.uk for more information. You won't be able to buy tickets just yet at the time of filming, since we're transferring over to a new website, but keep an eye on the website for more information. Now, the eagle-eyed viewers among you may have noticed a new engine running at the Watercress line, and that is the pannier tank from the Bodmin and Wenford Railway, which is visiting here for our spring gala. Once again, check out the website for more details, and once the new site is live, check out the website to book tickets. Now, frankly, there's not much else to say, so let's just sit back, relax and enjoy some footage of the Watercress line back in steam. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.